Okay, earlier today I promised that I will have a report about Tesla Semi coming to its future home, the Gigafactory, Texas. And here is that report. Tesla Semi now showed up at its future home of Gigafactory, Texas with more Model Ys and possible new colors spotted. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel. Please help us reach our goal of 100,000 subscribers. We're now 70,000 plus. I would greatly appreciate it, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So a new drone flyover of Tesla Gigafactory, Texas from our friend Joe Tegtmeyer shows a lot of activity at Giga Texas, including a Tesla Semi, a lot more Model Y vehicles, and even some potential new colors, the red colors, which I've reported earlier today. The new activity comes ahead of the Cyber Rodeo event, which Tesla is going to hold. So what is that Cyber Rodeo event? On April 7th, Tesla is going to hold an event at Gigafactory, Texas in Austin called Cyber Rodeo. By the way, is anyone going, or did anyone get a ticket for Cyber Rodeo? If you are, please let us know. Send us some pictures. I would greatly appreciate it. And let me know, friends, what are your expectations from Cyber Rodeo? Do you expect any big announcement from Tesla or from Elon Musk? So it is expected to be the factory's grand opening, including the official launch of Model Y production at the plant. Now, I don't know if Tesla will hand over some Model Ys made at Giga Texas to its new owners, but maybe we should expect some Elon Musk dance at Gigafactory Texas grand opening, as he did at Giga Berlin grand opening and Gigafactory Shanghai. So we expect that Tesla might also bring a few surprises to the event, and the new drone flyover by Joe Tegtmeyer is starting to reveal some surprises. The drone pilot flew over the Gigafactory, Texas today and spotted Tesla unloading a new Tesla Semi truck at the plant. Here's what Joe said. Tesla Semi arrives at Giga Texas. Here are a few more photos as it arrived and gets set up. Can't wait to see this in person during Cyber Rodeo. I'm glad Joe is going to Cyber Rodeo, and he says see a lot more to the site in my video out later today. By the way, I will have a link to Joe Tegtmeyer's Twitter or YouTube the description of this video, friends. Check it out. Joe is a great guy. So Tesla is currently building an electric truck in low volume at a factory in Nevada, Texas, Tesla's first Gigafactory, but it is expected to bring it to volume production at Gigafactory, Texas in the future. However, this particular unit of Tesla Semi is most likely to be there in order to be displayed at the Cyber Rodeo event later this week. Tegtmeyer also spotted many more Model Y vehicles at the plant as Tesla is ramping up production now at Giga Texas. He noted that one had a rare package shelf, but it might have just been retrofitted as a work vehicle. I probably will talk about this more in my next report. Interestingly, the colors of some of those new Model Ys coming out of Gigafactory, Texas appear to be different. It might be the camera or the lighting, but the black paint looks less glossy and the red is much darker. Let me know, friends, what do you think about these colors of Tesla's Giga Texas new Model Ys? As I previously reported, Tesla has talked about releasing new colors at Giga Texas, including a new red, but it has been mostly linked to Tesla's new paint shop at Gigafactory Berlin. It's unclear if Tesla has deployed a similar paint shop that is going to enable new colors as well. Well, if you remember, Elon Musk said that the paint shop at Giga Berlin is going to be the most advanced, and it will be also transposed and exported to other gigafactories. So I do expect Tesla to have the same quality paint shop at Giga Texas as it has at Giga Berlin. What about you? Let me know, friends. So more information is expected to be released during the Cyber Rodeo event later this week, including more details about a possible new mid-range version of the Model Y that has been revealed through an EPA filing, which I reported on, I think it was around March 13. If you remember, according to that filing of EPA, Tesla was preparing to launch a new version of the Model Y with a puzzling range of 279 miles and an all-wheel drive powertrain. Could it be the new Model Y with 4680 cells or LFP cells? I don't know. I would like to hear more about your thoughts on that, friends. And what about the model Tesla Semi? What do you think about Tesla Semi in Gigafactory, Texas? Well, let me know, friends. Subscribe to our channel. Help us to reach 100,000 subscribers at this channel, friends. And any feedback you have about my channel to improve, I would greatly appreciate. Have a blessed day, and look what I have for you next. We have seen lots of new cars from Tesla Giga Texas and Giga Berlin. Lots of new Model Ys produced in both factories. But something that we haven't seen, red color Model Y. And guess what? Tesla Giga Texas starts production of red multi-coat Model Ys, and they are beautifully parked at Giga Texas. Take a look at these pictures, friends. But as I go tell you more about this is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and help us to reach our 100,000 subscriber goal. I would greatly appreciate, guys. So Tesla Giga Texas continues to ramp up production. Now the factory has begun painting cars in red multi-coat, in which it has never painted vehicles before. Do you like these red colors that we see on parked in Tesla Giga Texas? I think, look at that corner. You can see white color Model Ys with black top, and then red color Model Ys with black top, and then the black color, which we have already seen coming from Gigafactory Berlin. Now, which color do you like the most? Let me know your thoughts, friends. Tesla Giga Texas already started production of Model Y in almost all colors by now, in which the car can be ordered. Cars in solid black, deep blue metallic, which was repeatedly mistaken by abyss blue multi-coat, and pearl white multi-coat have already been spotted near the Giga Texas factory in Austin, which was strong evidence of this. However, Model Ys painted in red multi-coat had never been seen, so this color was eagerly anticipated by a lot of people. By the way, stick with me, because in my next report today, I'm going to show you the Tesla Semi brought to Giga Texas for the Rodeo Festival. But also, please subscribe to our channel and help us to reach the 100,000 subscriber goal so you don't miss my next coverage. Now, on Saturday, Jeff Roberts from YouTube channel shared that he spotted red multi-coat Model Ys in the video he posted. 23 red multi-coat Model Y electric vehicles from Tesla can be seen in these pictures, which have been going on your screen, which may be evidence that the paint shop at Giga Texas has moved from testing to producing cars in that color. Thus, to date, the only color not spotted at Giga Texas is Midnight Silver Metallic. How many of you guys are looking for the Midnight Silver Metallic? Obviously, painting in this color should be the manufacturer's next step in ramping up production at the factory. In addition to new colors, Abyss Blue Multi-Coat and Crimson Red are also expected to be added to the paint shop at some point. So what do you think, friends? Do you like this color? Let me know what is your favorite color, Tesla. I think I like them very much. The red looks very nice, and I'm looking forward to other colors like I mentioned here. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. So see my next Tesla report, but in a few hours I will have another report coming about Tesla semi-truck brought to Giga Texas. It's really cool. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and help us reaching our goal of 100,000 subscribers. And have a great day. Look at my next story and check back in few hours for the Tesla semi story. Thank you.